So that was what came out of the fuel system, not the tank. He said the tank was empty and he filled it up. We took a sample and it looked really clean. So we're going to start it one more time just so it's not pumping water. It is just, it's got real bad stuff coming out of here. And so we went ahead and changed the fuel water separator and filled it up with some fresh gas and primed it. Go ahead and trim her down. It's good. And here's what she sounds like, but watch, there's no water getting sucked in. Give it a little gas. Sucking no water in there, so I can assure you that the impeller in the lower unit, Alpha 1 non-Gen 2, the housing, everything's been melted, probably because it's been run without water. Not by us. So next thing is we got to make sure that it's getting cooling water and do something with his exhaust boot and go from there.